Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Right now, it is July the 11th, 2022, and we're taking a look at our cashew apple tree. Let's see what is going on with the production. It's got some cashew apples down there. Quite a few, actually. Look at that. Let's zoom in. That looks good. That one in the middle with the dark colored cashew nut is probably going to be ready to pick really soon. Here's a good looking one that's growing. Let's go to the middle on this side over here. Where we at? Look at that. They're growing all over the place. Look at that one. That one's going to be ready to pick real soon. Just quite a few of them. I don't remember seeing this many the last time we were out here. But here they are. Looking around, I don't see any falling on the ground. So that's good. Oh, look at this one. There's a ripe one, folks. There we have it. There's the nut on the bottom. Very interesting. So they've been ripening as like this reddish color sometimes, and then a yellow color. Very cool. Look, there's a couple more growing right there. This thing is such a prolific producer now. I think every year going forward, we're going to get a lot more production. It's going to be insane. Anyhow, that's our update for today on the cashew apple tree production. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel grow. And stay tuned, as we'll keep you updated on the progress of these cashew apples. Also, check out eBay to purchase some of these cashew apple seeds. Link will be in the description. Have a great day.